right, I got the low receiver right here in my hand now. And I'm looking around, making sure everything's in place, just doing a general overlook. Not tons of moving parts inside these newer semi-automatic handguns, but enough to know that things can still go wrong. And I'm looking around, looking pretty good. So I'm going to take my brake free now. I'm going to shake it just a little bit, get it worked up in there. And I'm just going to kind of lay the receiver down on its side just to kind of shield my eyes and shield everything else a little bit from this brake free from it reflecting. And we're going to do a couple squirts in there. Make sure we got everything coated. We're going to kind of wipe it down with our fingers there on the inside, and you'll see a little bit of stuff coming out of my fingers here. Just lets us know that we're getting it in all the right places here. And what we're going to do next, we're going to put one squirt on each side. All right. And then what we're going to do is we're going to do a wipe down on the outside. Now I do this with my fingers and not with my rag, simply because I don't want to wipe my rag through something that we haven't pre-cleaned right now. Right now I'm getting, a little bit of dirt and grime on my fingers and stuff, and it's something that I want to keep out of that rag because I use that rag mostly to soak the cleaner stuff up later on after we've wiped everything down. Okay. Gotten everything. We've gotten inside the trigger guard. We're outside the assembly. We've touched up the accessory rail here. We're on the edge of the slide here where the slide comes in contact with the lower receiver. Have that all worked up. Right here in the trigger assembly. It's all right. We're looking pretty good. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to let this sit for at least 25, 30 minutes, if not longer. And then we're going to come back and we're going to do a good scrubbing on this piece.